Nutcrackers. Let's talk about Nutcrackers, shall we? I am here today with my thoughts and opinions on this set, Lego 40254, 230 pieces. It's a limited edition free set that was given out back in July. I think they called it Christmas in July. It was the Nutcracker, Christmas Nutcracker. So I had ordered something back then. I think it might have been the roller coaster or the pirate coaster, and this came along with it. I am here with the Lego set of the Nutcracker. Now I got this Nutcracker in Christmas in July from Lego. It was a shop at home thing, and it was a free gift with the purchase, $99 or more. So it came with the roller coaster, I believe I purchased. But anyway, enough about that. Let's have a look at this thing. It's pretty cool. I love the handle on the back, which moves its white beard mouth up and down in the front. And the colors are great. It's a great color scheme. It's well finished off. There's not really any studs showing on this anywhere. So that's very positive in my books, because I really like it finished off with the tiles and that on the top. Now let's have a look at the front here. The face is really cool, and I really like the use of the sword pieces for the mustache. I really like mustaches, so that's really really neat. I love the fact that the mouth moves up and down like a real or true-to-life Nutcracker. And of course the arms have articulation, up and down movement as well. So that's really nice, because that's a change from those old brickheads, and it's a little bit bigger, of course, than a brickhead anyway. But I really like the design of this, and it fits in with any Nutcracker that you may have. Now the legs, I do believe, if I remember right when I built this, it does have a axle going up through them to keep it all together, which is a good design, because if you don't have that axle going up in them, it can just flop over and tip over and fall apart, basically. It's a very basic design, and it only took an evening to build, but however, it really fits in with Christmas sets and the Christmas theme, of course. So if you're looking for a set to pick up down the road, and you might be able to find it on eBay or Amazon, I would pick one of these up, because it's probably only going to sell for about $10 to $12, $15, somewhere in that price range. Well, hopefully it won't be overcharged for. But it is a cool set to have, and it'll fit any Christmas decoration display, or even by itself at Christmas time. It's really nice. I like the base where they use the black log style bricks in the front and on the sides. So that really adds to the dimension of this set, and kind of gives it a nice balance on the base, as well as it just fills it out, and it doesn't look like it's just plain bricks and making it a square base. It gives it that texture that's required, and to, I guess you could say, offset a regular square base. That's what I'm trying to get at, and it fits in with the whole Christmas aspect of things. Well, that's just my thoughts and opinions on this particular set. So if you have any comments, suggestions, or anything else to add, please do so in the comments down below. I read them all, and I try to answer everything that I can. And as long as I can find an answer, I'll let you know. That's about it for me today. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe down below, and hit that notification bell so you'll know the next time we upload a video. Take care, and I will talk to you guys again in the next video very shortly.